Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your phone for contact Resync. Open Settings and find Apps or Privacy to manage permissions. Enable Contacts permissions specifically for WhatsApp so it can read your address book. Confirm you are signed into one Google account on Android or one iCloud account on iPhone. Make sure your contacts are visible in that account and include full international phone numbers with country codes. Finally, connect to Wi-Fi or a stable mobile data. Now force a resync inside the app and system. On Android, open Settings, choose Apps, then WhatsApp, then Storage and Clear Cache to refresh the app. On iPhone, you can force close WhatsApp and relaunch to trigger a refresh. Open WhatsApp, go to Chats, tap the new chat icon, and pull down to refresh the contacts list. If contacts still do not appear, toggle the contacts permission off then on to force the phone to rescan stored contacts for WhatsApp to detect. If problems persist, perform advanced checks and small repairs. Export your contacts to a vCard file and re-import them to fix any corrupted entries or formatting issues. Verify each contact uses a full phone number with a plus sign and country code so WhatsApp can match accounts accurately. Remove duplicate entries and merge contacts when possible to avoid confusion. Reboot the phone and wait 1 minute before opening WhatsApp again. This final step often forces a clean resync and restores missing contacts reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.